Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi Q3 sunroof. To begin, locate the sunroof control switch on the overhead console, typically near the rearview mirror. To fully open the sunroof, simply push the switch backward and hold it briefly. The sunroof will slide open smoothly. To close it, push the switch forward until it's completely shut. It's a straightforward process for enjoying the open air. Sometimes you just need a little fresh air without fully opening the sunroof. To tilt the sunroof, gently push the control switch upward. This action will raise the rear of the sunroof, creating a small opening for ventilation. It's perfect for letting out hot air or getting a gentle breeze. To close the tilted sunroof, simply push the switch downward until it's flush again. Your Audi Q3 also features a convenient sunshade to block out direct sunlight. This sunshade operates independently from the sunroof glass. To extend the sunshade, simply pull it forward using the integrated handle. It will smoothly cover the glass panel. To retract the sunshade and let the light in, push it backward until it's fully stored. It's great for managing cabin brightness. For optimal performance and safety, always ensure there are no obstructions in the sunroof's path before operating it. Regularly clean the sunroof seals with a damp cloth to prevent debris buildup and potential leaks. Also, avoid operating the sunroof in freezing temperatures to prevent damage to the motor or seals. A little care goes a long way in maintaining your sunroof.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.